Hey everyone, it's Mom Hack Monday. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick and easy vapor rub. And this is great to help open up your lungs and really help support your respiratory system. That's the purpose of this vapor rub. Now what you're gonna need is you're gonna need coconut oil, you'll need some beeswax, or you can use shea butter, whatever you prefer. In this recipe that I'm making, I'm using beeswax, and you'll need Raven, or RC, or you can add both. And I always add a little bit of jojoba oil just because it's really good for your skin. So I already did a part of this before I hopped on just because it takes a little while for beeswax to melt. You can always use a double boiler, but I am always about convenience. And if it's convenient and easy, then I will do it. And a double boiler, let's be honest, is not. So I always have a glass bowl. That's what I do a lot of my melting in. And so you just need a half a cup of coconut oil. So any kind of coconut oil you want to use, but you don't want to use the liquid one. You want to use one that hardens at room temperature. Okay, so coconut oil. So you'll add a half a cup into here and 2 tablespoons of beeswax. What your beeswax could look like is this, and I just get mine off of Amazon, and you'll use 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of beeswax, then you put it in the glass bowl. I pop mine in the microwave. It takes about anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to melt down. I typically will put it on 2-minute increments and stir, and then put it back on for 2, and then stir, and put it back on for 2 and stir. And this is why I did it before I hopped on. So I'm gonna grab it out of the microwave. And then I'm going to then add the essential oil. You don't want to add the essential oil to the beeswax and the coconut oil in the microwave because the heat will actually break down the essential oil, and then the benefits of it are not there. So now after you take your this liquid out, you're gonna let it kind of cool just for a tiny bit, but not too long, because remember, it does have beeswax in it, so it will harden. Then add about 25 drops of essential oil. You can always add more or less depending on how old your kids are. Sorry, I do have to kind of concentrate when I'm adding because you gotta count. So again, I'm adding about 25 drops in. And then after I add this in, you can do 2 things. You can pour it straight into a mason jar, or you can mix it. I'm gonna show you. You can mix it so then it's a little bit more whipped, and it just has a different consistency. So I am gonna do that. Actually, let's add the jojoba oil really fast. I'm just gonna do a quick squirt, that's all. And then I'm gonna put this in and turn it on. I just pulse it. I did stand back a little bit because it is oil and beeswax. So you just mix it up a little bit. Okay. And then you're gonna pour it in the jar. And we'll see if I can do it without spilling it. All right. And we'll put the lid on it. And you can leave it out, or if you want it to solidify faster, you just pop it in the refrigerator or freezer. And that is how you make a vapor rub. It is so simple, and whenever you start to feel congested or just feel like you need extra respiratory support, you pull this out and put it on. You can put it on your chest, you can put it on your feet, on your VitaFlex points. Just use it however you would normally use a vapor rub, and it works amazing. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that you do this, and if you want to win, you just have to let me know. All right, have a great week. Bye guys.